Today, I'm gonna tell you about Henry's County's new water park. It's fun. I came down like a blink of the eye. I came down so super duper fast. What does a blink of the eye mean?
Super fast. Is that how fast you can? So fast we can't even see you in the video. Right there.
Dr. Mears, when I went down the purple slide, it was pretty scary. What I said to my mom, ooh, that's too scary. I might not make it.
Whoa! What in the world? How was it? Your heart.
When I went to the yellow slide, my friend Jordan went down first. And she's my friend now. I met her from camp.
Oh, they left him. She wanted to be the first one. You got this, Jace. Oh.
My favorite one was surf air. I tried surf air next, and surf air splashed me into the new thing. So hard. It splashed me so hard, everybody was looking. Like, huh? Is he okay? Yep, of course. But a lot.
What's the hardest part about surf air?
It pushes you back. Sometimes for me, it pushes you. But one thing it did, a flip around. He like flipped in the water.
You got it. You did pretty good. You did good. Well done. Good job. How was the surfing? Go!
Thanks for watching. I hope you see our next Black and White adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe.